Hi, Rick Dulay, Remax Metropolitan. Today I want to talk to you about what is a seller's disclosure statement. The Michigan Seller Disclosure Act requires a home seller to disclose the condition and other information about the property that is known to the seller. It's not a warranty of any kind by the seller or their agent, and it is not meant to replace a buyer inspection. Agents will not and cannot help you fill this form out either. You have to do this on your own. The important thing is you must be truthful and accurate with what you know. A seller's disclosure statement will typically cover things like appliances, systems, and services associated with the home. The homeowner must be truthful in all representations. For instance, if you know that dishwasher doesn't work, you need to say that. On the other side, if you've never used your dishwasher ever and you have no idea whether it works or not, you can say unknown, that you don't know, and that would be being truthful. The big things, though, that people look for on a seller's disclosure statement is whether or not there's been any leaks in the basement, any water damage, any issues with the roof, has it been leaking, the age of the furnace, the age of the roof, what type of insulation do you have? Those are some of the more major things that people are looking for, maybe even insect damage. The seller is also asked to disclose any issues with the plumbing, electrical, heating and cooling systems, or if there's ever been any kind of infestations. Never knowingly make a false statement or try to hide or cover up any issues, worried that you might not get the offers that you're looking for or that you might scare away buyers. The last thing you want to do is give the buyer a false impression, they close, and then they end up suing you down the road because now they realize that there was an issue that you knew about and never disclosed. So always make a truthful statement, say what you know about the property, and if you don't know, you can say that it is unknown. But always, always be truthful. There's no need to guess, and you don't have to go digging into things and trying to find problems to figure it out either.